Hello guys, my name is Ian. I'm 8 years old and in class 5. Today we're solving a junior high school question on Venn diagram. The question says, in a class of 39 students, 19 offer French and 25 offer Ga. 5 do not offer any of the two languages. 1. How many students offer only French? 2. How many students offer both languages? First, to solve this, we draw two big circles. And then we bring a box. Now, if you look at the question, it says in a class of 39 students. And if the total number of people in the class is 39 students, it means that the universal is 39 students. Because the universal is the total amount. We write the universal in the right one. Now, the question says 19 offer French and 25 offer Ga. So these two circles, this one is French and this one is Ga. And why do we have two circles? Because there are two subjects. So this is Ga, this one is French. But in this place is the middle, where both subjects are offered. So because of this intersection here, there is French only and Ga only. This side is French only. Because the full one is French, but that includes the both. So in French there will be some Ga, and Ga there will be some French. But if there's French only, there's only French inside, and Ga only, there's only Ga inside. And this intersection is both. Now this part is French, this one is Ga. So 19 offer French. When we say French, it's the whole circle. So instead of writing it here, we write it here. And 25 offer Ga. But remember this, if they say French only, then we write the 19 here. But if they just say French, then we write it on top. So the Ga, it's Ga, not Ga only. So we will write it here. And 5 do not offer any of the two languages. When you have this sort of problem, it doesn't go into this circle, it doesn't go into that circle, it doesn't go into the middle. It goes in the box. Now, to solve the question, we don't know what is in here, so we bring x. We have 19 minus x. We bring 19 minus x. The reason why we bring 19 minus x is because we want to keep this part away from the 19. And the same for the 25, so we write 25 minus x. So it's minus this intersection. Like when you're big, you don't want to get the things mixed up. So you put them in separate places. Just like how in this situation, you have to subtract the French from the Ga and the Ga from the French. So, now write everything here, in the 5. But remember not to forget this 5. If you forget this 5, then the answer will be wrong. So 90 minus x plus 25 minus x plus 5 equals 39. Now, to do this, it's like simplifying. Group the like terms. So 19 plus this 25, then the rest of the x. There is an invisible one in all of these. And the 5. Now, 25 plus 19 plus 5. 25 plus 19 is 44. Plus 5 is 4 plus 5. 49. And we have 49 like this. To do this, we need to find negative 1x plus 1x. To do this, so the negative means your own. So we person 1. And this one means you have the money. 1. So if this one can do this, it means you paid it. So now there's 0 left. There are no TVs left. So we have 0. But this one is 0 minus 1x. So to solve this, when it's not equal, because the first number has to be bigger than the second number. So those, we take this one and the 0. So 1 minus 0 is negative. 1 minus 0 is 1. And anytime you get that answer, you add negative to it. Solve the negative answer. So now we have negative 1. So 49 minus 1x equals to 39. Now this part is change of subject. We have to make the x alone to get the final answer. So 49, we go to the other side and it will subtract. So negative 1x is equal to 39 minus 49. 39 minus 49. What we do is swap the numbers. We get 0 here and we get 1 here. And when we swap the numbers, we add negative to it, which means that negative 1x is equal to negative 10. Now we bring the negative 1 to the other side, and because it's multiplying, it will divide here. So x equals to negative 10 over negative 1. And these two negatives will cancel, which leaves us with x equals to 10 over 1. And any number over 1 is that number, which means that x is equals to 10. So now that we've gotten our final answer, we have to draw the Venn diagram again, so that we won't have x here. So first we draw the two circles, the box, the universal. Now we draw f equals 19, and gamma equals to 25. So now it's time to begin with the inside of the circle. 19 minus x. Our x is what is both. So, and our x is 10. So 19 minus 10 is 9. So we bring that. Instead of 19 minus x, it's 19 minus 10, which is 9. So French only is 9. Now, Ga only. 25 minus 10. We get 15. So Ga only is 15. Now both is our 10. And now let's answer the question. So, 1. How many students offer only French? Only French, which is this side. So if I want to do only French instead, which is 9. So number 1 is answered. And number 2, how many students offer both languages? So both languages is in the middle, which is 10. And that's the end of the question. Please click the plus sign to follow me and share so that other people could also learn it.